Are you craving for a very simple rice recipe? Then this video is for you. Trust me, everyone will love this, okay? Whether you are a vegan, a vegetarian, or none of the two, you will love this recipe. It was absolutely delicious. I am Lena. If today is the first time here, welcome, and returning ones, welcome as well. So let me just start with you, okay, today. Now I have my rice here. I washed it very well. The liquid you are seeing is just water. I have some curry powder and my basil, parsley. I am just going to cook this very well, and then we can continue. In my cooking pot, I have my tofu that is from soya beans, okay? I have the recipe here. Just go through my videos and then look for my tofu, and trust me, you will love it. So I will just how I'm doing it on the screen, just look at it, okay? We just want it to be scrambled, just look like eggs. I hope you get it, and trust me, it is so good. So you can use your hand to do that, your spatula or anything that you want to use, okay? But I think if you use your hand, it will be very helpful. You can as well use eggs to prepare this recipe instead of the tofu. But if you are old here, you know that I don't eat meat. That is why I did not even use the chicken stock to prepare this, but I eat eggs, okay? Yes, but I prefer using this instead of eggs. Now I added some coconut oil to it, so it's like you preparing some scrambled eggs. So that is what I am doing here, but we are using tofu. I will fry that very well to get it like just like scrambled eggs, okay, before we continue with the process. After a minute, this is how it looks, and it looks absolutely good. Now I have added my carrot to it. I will give it a stir, wait for a while, and then we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. I added the carrot first because among all the vegetables we'll be using, the carrot is the hardest, so we just want it a bit soft. We want it crunchy, okay? Yes, but we want it a bit cooked before we add the others. Now I've added my onions, and I'm just going to give this a stir. As we are talking now, our rice is doing well, and oh my goodness, the flavor in my kitchen is heavily because of the basil and then the parsley. Okay, now I've added the rice. The rice is ready. I've added the rice, and I will just go ahead and then give it a stir, mix it very well, and then we can do the next thing we are supposed to do. If you are still with me, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful for being with me from the beginning till now. If you like the video, please do not forget to like it, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will be very grateful. Thank you so much. Please, by subscribing, do not forget to click on the bell icon that says all on YouTube. And if you're watching me on Facebook, please follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have added my cabbage, and I'll go ahead and then give this a stir. What is fried rice without cabbage? Trust me, it takes it to the next level. So give that a stir, wait for a while, and then if you want to add any other ingredient, just add it to it. At this moment, I will just wait for just a minute before we proceed. Trust me, we just don't want to overcook the vegetables. We want it crunchy so that we can enjoy it, and I want my vegetables very crunchy. The rest of us in this house wants they want their vegetables soft, but I want it crunchy, and this is for me. Now I went ahead to add some curry powder. I will just go ahead and then give it a stir, wait for a while, and then add the other ingredients I want to add. If you are still with me, thank you so much. We have 3 channel, okay, 3 YouTube channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us for more videos. You will love it there as well. Now the rice is almost ready, and just look at that. It looks absolutely delicious. I'll be very happy if you try this recipe and you let me know how the taste goes, because I know very well that it will taste good. Just look at that. So mouth-watering and very inviting. I just like the way the rice has singled out. Okay, yes. So when the rice was well cooked, this is what I did. I allowed the rice to cool down before adding it to the vegetables. Yes, you don't add it to the vegetables very hot like that. So even if you can prepare the rice maybe today or a day before you prepare the fried rice, and it makes you get the perfect outcome. Now I will throw in some spring onions, scallions, green onions, anyhow you will call this. Immediately you get the spring onions in there, you know the rice is almost ready. I'll give that a stir and then wait for just some few seconds, and then we proceed. The aroma, oh my goodness, is absolutely good. Now our rice is ready, and just look at that. It looks so good. I added some cashew nuts to it, and it was so good. If you have not tried the cashew nuts, just add it to your rice, and trust me, you will love it, or you will thank me later. Thank you so much. These are some of the videos we have on the channel, on the page, or any other social media platform. So please do well to watch them for me. I'll be very grateful as always. Please do not forget to tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to our channel for more interesting video. Trust me, the next upload, you are going to love it. So do not miss the next upload. And also trust me, the recipe is so delicious and very, very inviting, and you will fall in love with it. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I am very, very thankful, and take good care of yourself. Love yourself first, and I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.